Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to Lauren's Day of the Vlog. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey guys, and welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. Today we're doing something a little bit different, and Lauren is going to be taking over the vlog for today. Lauren is my suite mate. If you guys have not been watching my videos, or like this is one of the first ones you've seen, my roommate is Emma, and we're connected by Jack and Jill to Lauren and Olivia. So Lauren is taking over today, Emma's taking over tomorrow, and Olivia's taking over the next day, so you can see what a day in their life is like if you're not an influencer, just like what the difference is. So Lauren is going to be taking the camera. She's headed to class. Okay guys, before Lauren takes over the vlog for the day, we're going to do a little Q&A session. I asked everyone over on Instagram to leave their questions for Lauren. That way you guys can get to know her a little bit better before she takes over the vlog. So I've got some questions here, and we're just going to get started.
So ready.
First question, what is your major?
Fashion merch, just like MCKENZ.
What's your minor?
Fashion, media, and marketing.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from New Philadelphia, Ohio, which is an hour south of Kent.
Okay. Do you like going to school so close to home?
I like being able to drive home if I want to, because it's like a quick drive and I don't have to fly like Olivia does, or you.
Yeah.
And so that's nice, but also I kind of wish I was farther.
Because you don't want to know as many people, or just because
True,
you wish you
I
were
know
further
so many
away?
people from Kent. Like,
But I
half the
think
people here, like know
having
people.
you as a roommate and you knowing people has
True.
been so influential. Like, it's been so nice. Like,
We've met people
with you knowing people.
because yeah.
That was my mom's question.
Popular girl.
If you could do like anything, like what is your end goal in the fashion industry? Like, what do you want to do right now?
I wish I could tell you, but I feel like I'm gonna figure out through like going through all the classes and seeing what I like.
So you have no idea.
I don't really know, honestly. I kind of like, I feel like I want to do something in social media, but I don't know.
What made you choose the fashion program at Kent?
At Kent or fashion? Like
both, like in general.
Okay, so this is gonna suck. So I am like good at every subject, but there's not a subject in school where I was like, oh my gosh, I really like this. So I was like, I'm gonna have to do something artsy. And so I was like, okay, fashion is artsy, I can do that.
And it was close.
And this is a close, like it's literally an hour away, so why go to New York City if I'm an hour away from this?
Okay. Are you an early bird?
No. I used to be, not anymore.
You were before you came to school.
No, I was before I came to school, and this has kind of changed me. I don't know why. I think I stay up later.
What is your dream city?
Like to live in?
Yeah.
I really don't. I haven't been to. I don't want to say New York City and be like cliche, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But do you want to live in New York City for at least a period of time?
Yeah, I feel like that'd be fun.
Okay.
I like New York City a lot.
What is your favorite place to shop?
Goodwill.
Goodwill. Like, I'm not kidding. I thrift everything I wear.
But the Goodwill at her house.
Yeah, I like that one.
What is your favorite part about college?
I feel like I've met a lot of people.
So you like
A lot,
meeting people?
yeah, meeting new people.
That's the only thing you like about college?
I like having freedom.
Freedom.
Freedom and meeting new people.
How has your sorority experience been so far? So say what you're in first.
I'm in Alpha Zeta Delta, and I like it a lot. It's been great. I've met so many people. Yeah.
She's in the same sorority as her roommate Olivia. So tell us like how that has been, being in the same one. As in like Emma and I are not in the same
Should
one.
I leave the room?
No. I like.
Olivia's sitting here.
I think it's good having somebody that I'm so close with to be with me in my pledge class, because when we go to stuff, it's not like I'm awkwardly standing there by myself. Like when we first started going to stuff, like now we know a bunch of like more people in our pledge class, but when we first started going, like we didn't know anybody and we had each other.
I would say that you guys are the most active in your sorority. Like you guys do the most, you go out the most with people. Like
yeah, I guess so.
Matthew says, please start talking to Daniel again. And the last question is, what have you learned since living with an influencer? They've already asked these questions.
Okay, I know this, what I'm saying. I didn't realize how much work it was. Like, I realized it was work. I just thought she had to, like, post a few things on Instagram, you know, and make some money. But it doesn't work that way. There's a lot more that goes into it than that, than making an Instagram post.
Okay. All right, everyone. This is it for the little Q&A portion. Now we will get on with Lauren's day in her life.
All right, guys, here is the fit for today. I have on my fur-lined Levi's jacket, a Wild Fable red sweater, my belt, I think it's from Forever 21, my black thrifted jeans, skinny jeans, and my Docs that I wear every day in my life. Headed to my fashion tech class, and I didn't have time to film an actual intro in the room. I don't know how MCKENZ does that every day. My class is at 9:55 and I still don't have time to... I'm running out the door every day, don't ask me how. But stay tuned for the rest of the day with me. Also, it's raining and I most definitely did not wear a rain jacket, and I actually did my hair today. So that sucks. Hello everybody.
Hi.
Here's Hannah. Here's Annie. We are in fashion tech right now, but we're waiting for fashion fundamentals. Here's the star of the vlog herself.
Hello.
Right here. McKenzie Morgan.
How's your day been going on the vlog?
Oh, it's a little hard.
It's a little hard. What's hard about it? Have you been flipping it up so you can see yourself?
Yes.
Have you been tracking yourself? That's good.
Yeah.
What have you shown us today?
Me walking to class because I didn't have time to film an intro. I ran out of time, so my intro was filmed walking.
When we get back, I'll put it in the content that you did.
Oh yeah.
We're in fundamentals now. And wait, is it gonna flip this way? We're in fundamentals now, and we're gonna get talked to by all these people. Okay, I'm headed from fashion fundamentals right now, and me and McKenzie are going to go film my Q&A with all the questions.
You will have already seen it at this point.
Oh, for real? Never mind then. Never mind.
Tell them what
Delete
you
that
did
part.
in fashion fundamentals.
I was about to, McKenzie.
Okay.
I already know what I'm doing. I'm really good at this. So in fashion fundamentals,
Stop talking like that. Talk like
this is how I always talk. Isn't this how I always talk?
Yeah,
fashion
but you don't sound as stupid right
I don't
now.
sound as stupid right now. Exactly. I'm trying to sound a little bit smarter. We had guest speakers of people who've had internships at companies. It's actually kind of insightful, but it's kind of scary because they're like, you need to start looking at this stuff now. No, I'm not. I was holding it right here. It's kind of scary because we have to start looking for internships now too.
So if you could intern anywhere right now, where would you want to intern?
Like probably a company. Isn't Free People and Urban Outfitters connected?
Yeah.
Probably a company within their connected.
One of their
companies.
Anthropology is with them too.
Oh yeah, something like that. I feel like that'd be really cool.
And what would you want to do? Like what would
I
you
don't
be
know at
hoping
this
to
point.
do?
Probably work for social media.
Okay.
That's what I would do. Thank you for the question, McKenzie.
Yes. Okay, now we're at our dorm.
We're at our dorm. Goodbye. Goodbye, camera. I'm currently doing my laundry. I always walk down the hallway with my laundry on my back and my little backpack. It's actually kind of convenient. I got it at Target. Kind of like it, honestly, but I was gone. I always do my laundry on Fridays, and I was gone for Thanksgiving break, so now I'm just getting to my laundry, so I have a whole bunch to do. If you have never used one of these things to do your laundry, you're missing out. This thing has changed my life. I put all my socks and underwear in it and just throw it in the washer, and it keeps them all so you don't have to dig through the washer after you're done. It's a lifesaver. Invest in one. Mackenzie told me I need to show you guys what I eat, and I didn't show you breakfast because I don't eat breakfast. It's a myth that if you don't eat breakfast, you're non-nutritional. I'm eating leftover Panda Express and chips and salsa.
Mac and cheese.
Wait, let me see it. Oh, that looks so good.
Thank you, Uncle Dan.
Hey, wait. Let me get a bite. Let me get a bite, please. Just a little baby one. Thank you.
Hot.
Just trying to get some dishes done while I wait on my laundry. I'm trying to get everything cleaned up because it's kind of a mess from when I brought everything back from break. And I don't want everything to be laying all over the place the whole week or I won't be productive. Even though most of the time it is. I'm trying to be productive this week because finals are coming up next week, and I feel like if I'm productive this week, next week will go good. So, me trying to get my life together, washing my dishes, and Olivia's because I'm a nice roommate,
and doing my laundry, so today's a productive day. Part 2 of me trying to get my life together. I'm gonna unpack all these and put them where they're supposed to go. Oh my gosh, on a side note, I got these jeans. I thrifted these from the Goodwill in my town. Look how sick they are. They're like flare jeans with this ribbon stuff that goes down the side, and they have sick little patches on the back. I've never even heard of this brand. I think it's like an old brand. It's called No Excuses, but I was very excited about these. That was a side note, I'm sorry. So I'm waiting on my laundry to be done, so I'm sitting in a study room right outside the laundry room, and I am working on my fashion tech homework right now. It's our final project, and basically we had to get into groups of 4 and redo everything we've learned throughout the year in like one big project. And so like my portion of the project is making product line sheets, which is this, and you just like research a certain product and like a brand that carries that product, and I also had to draw the flats. So trying to get that done, and I also have a lot of other stuff to do. Don't know if that'll be done today, because this is the day where I actually have 4 classes, which is a lot because 2 other days of the week I only have 1 class. So this day I don't get much homework done. I mostly just go to classes, but then the other 2 days where I only have 1 class, I work on homework those days. So those are my off days that I get most of my stuff done when I have stuff to do. So I finished all my tech homework, and then I had time to watch Netflix. I started a new show with my mom called What If, and it's actually pretty good. I am enjoying that. I'm halfway through the season 1, and now I'm headed to Starbucks before my marketing class, so I'll keep you updated on that.
Yeah, you should put
No, I have a thing around my finger.
It's on, Lauren.
It's around my finger.
I know, but I'm just saying you should probably put it around your wrist.
It's around my finger, so if it falls, I got it.
Yeah, your finger is so strong.
We got our Starbucks. We found each other in there.
Yes.
Now we're headed to marketing and philosophy. So we'll keep you updated.
I'll let you know how much I'm crying after class when I find out my grade.
Exactly. I just came from marketing class, and we got Mackenzie's mail, and now she's unboxing all the Shein.
I'm unboxing. You will see all of this in a Shein haul.
Ooh,
I'm most
that's furry.
excited for this fur coat. I'm trying to incorporate, hold up a little bit. I'm trying to incorporate more color into my wardrobe. So I got something blue, got something orange, a green coat, and then
I like the green coat.
in this is like my options for semi-formal. So I think this is the green dress I'm gonna
Nice.
wear.
That's really
on
cute.
Saturday. I have to try it on. I also got this set that maybe could be an option if I was looking for a 2-piece
No way.
set with little fur.
That's kind of cute.
There's a couple other things in here that
I'm
think.
coming to semi-formal so I can wear one of the backup options.
I also got this.
Oh, I love
leather
that.
coat
I picked out one like that at Target the other day, actually.
because I don't have a leather coat, and I don't know. I just
cute.
Like that. Lots of coats. Hard at work gluing.
Hard at work.
Gluing down the fabric scraps for our mood board. This is the project we were working on last week. This is our final assignment for fashion visuals. The first part, it was like a PowerPoint slide. The second part's a mood board, and then the third part is the garment. So do you have the garment?
in a second?
We'll show the garment in a second.
All right.
It's just an option.
Here's the finished product of our mood board. Mackenzie, you want to get in it? Show your work.
They don't care.
Finished project.
Finished project.
This is our headband.
That's a headband that Mackenzie made.
This is the top that's
You can't get the full effect. It's looking a little boxy
very
right now.
wide right now.
Very wide, but I have to fit it to who's wearing it. And then it's going to have straps on
and then
it.
this is the skirt.
And then the
It's
skirt.
a little 2-piece set.
And I need to add buttons and
Let
stuff. So
us
it's not
know
it's
if-
not finished, but the mood board is finished.
Let us know if you would wear this outfit. Comment below.
We're headed to the dining hall for dinner.
Yum.
Yum, dining hall dinner. Alright, well, I forgot to show what I was eating. So here's my half-eaten taco salad. Liv, what are you eating?
Pizza and french fries.
Yummy! I am back to my dorm for the night, and I think I just got a shower, and I think I'm just gonna watch Netflix the rest of the night. It's currently 8 o'clock, and that's how the rest of my night will go, probably. So thank you for coming along today on my vlogging journey. Yeah. Goodbye, vlog.